Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with your Webex camera not working or being detected on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So Webex is a great way to connect with people online for meetings, webinars, and events, and some user complaining about their webcam not working on Webex. This common issue is often the result of an outdated webcam driver, another app hugging the webcam, or some other external reasons. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to turn on a camera access on your computer. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung privacy and security. So i-click mo lang yan. At dito sa right side ay scroll down. And then select mo lang dito yung app permissions. And then under dito sa app permissions ay select mo lang dito yung camera. So i-tap mo lang yan. And dito sa camera, and next step ay kailangan natin itong i-turn on yung camera access. So dito sa right side ay turn on natin. And same naman dito sa lit apps access your camera. So na kailangan naka-turn on dito. And then i-select mo lang dito yung Webex app mo, dapat naka-turn on din siya. Alright, so after dito, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to update the webcam driver. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung device manager. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And once na open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung cameras. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then kailangan natin i-update itong cameras driver. Kung paano ba yan natin i-update? So, i-select mo lang yung ating cameras driver and then right click and then itap mo lang dito yung update driver. And may dalawang option dito na pwede nating i-select sa pag-update, like search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. So, select ka lang dito sa dalawa and then kailangan lang natin itap itong search automatically. So, click mo lang yan and wait natin. And then the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, and hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to reinstall or update the Webex. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung control panel. And then click natin dito yung open. And then once na open mo na tong control panel, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung programs and features. So click mo lang yan. And then dito lang sa ating programs and features or uninstall or change sa program. So kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Webex app. Okay? So scroll down ka lang and then i-locate mo lang siya. And then once na-locate mo na yung Webex app, for example, so select mo lang siya and then right click. And then kailangan mo na itong i-uninstall. So once na uninstall mo na siya, and then next solution na pwede natin gawin is to open up the official Webex website and download the latest versions of the Webex applications for your device. And the next step ay kailangan mo lang i-open yung web browser. And then kailangan mo lang i-search dito yung Webex official website. So kapag na-locate mo na yung Webex official website, and then kailangan mo lang i-download or install yung the latest versions ng webcam driver. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan. Alright, so ganun lang po on how to fix Webex camera not working on Windows computer. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.